yeah. What's up, guys? I wanted to start this video off by letting you guys know I'm sorry. I apologize for cutting you guys off on that last one like that. It's just I had so much footage, dude, that the video was reaching 20 minutes while I was editing it, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have to like cut this somewhere, you know what I'm saying? You guys haven't met him in a while. He was on the very first video. Some of you guys have been with me since the very beginning would know, but this here is Baby Bear. His name's Braden. But yeah, he goes by Baby Bear because he's the boss, bro. We probably should be changing his name to Sleepy Bear. But alright guys, we're gonna get right back into basically where I left off on the last video, dude. And you guys finally get to see Ray's new car. I mean, what Ray did to the Lexus. Say bye, Belle. Now I'm gonna take a minute just to kind of go over all the custom fabrication work that's been done to Shiloh's car. A lot of you guys have kind of asked me to show you in a little better detail what exactly is all going on in here. So here it is, guys. And of course, if you guys live here in Arizona and you're local and you're looking for some custom fabrication work like this, roll cages or whatever it is you need, man, make sure you hit up Paul over at Sic Industries, dude, and he'll take care of you. His information is in the description below, like always. Well, there's no pistons. And even if there's pistons, there's no compression because there's no head. But I mean, yeah, it does spin very well.
Still gonna rebuild that bitch.
Yeah. Ooh, she needs to be cleaned up bad, bro. Somebody painted this motherfucker purple, huh?
Barney.
Barney? This is the Barney block. Not for much longer.
Looking when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to the bottom when I kiss her. If you want time, never mind, just let me know.
Dude, I gotta be honest with you guys, I don't have a whole lot of experience with, you know, with 2JZs, other than just knowing they're badass. But I mean, this is a factory block, dude. It's like it's sleeved. Like, you see the inside of a Honda engine, it has a sleeve that sits down in there, but no, this thing, it's all solid. The whole thing is cast iron steel. Ugh, and heavy as hell, my back hurts. We would have pressure washed it freaking out there, dude.
No, man. What I'm gonna do is fucking get rid of all these rocks and dirt and put some turf right here. But I'm gonna dig it down like 6 feet and put just rocks so that it has somewhere to drain.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Stay tuned for Shiloh's landscaping videos.
If you want some love, just let me know.
Max is cool. He's just chilling. I mean, we may as well just cover it now. Like, what did you do to your Lexus?
It's a wrap by Deadbeat Garage.
He just traded his Lexus. What was it again? GS300. Just straight across for a 350Z. And the only thing that I disagree about is the fact that with the Lexus, I was telling him, all we gotta do, bro, is just CD09 swap this bitch, right? And he knows where I'm going. You know what this car needs? A CD09 swap. It's a fucking automatic, bro. What did you do? What are you doing?
Dig life.
What?
Dig life.
The dick life?
Dig.
Oh. No, you had it right the first time. It's the dick life.
Ricky Bobby.
Ricky Bobby. This guy. I'm just giving him shit, bro. But, I mean, it's a nice car.
What you need is a wing like mine.
Yeah, he does. He freaking does, dude. I'm telling you. That's what you need
What I
on
need
here.
is a fucking LS in this bitch. Then we can go stick.
Yeah, CD09. But dude, I mean, it's an overall, it's a really nice car. I like it. It's
Oh, really?
I kind of want one. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want one. But then again, I told Ray that before he got this, is that I wanted one. So then he went out and got one. Cause he's a pussy. What is on the back window? What is that?
That's the Marines.
Why haven't you taken all this Marine stuff off the car yet, dude? You ain't no Marine.
I'm lazy.
No, we need to just paint the whole car, bro.
I love this color.
I know you like the color, but you got body damage and stuff. We need to just paint the whole car.
I'm gonna take it to that.
I'm telling you. Nardo Gray. Let us know down below if you want to see us paint a 350Z Nardo Gray. That's what I want to do to it.
Ricardo Gray.
Oh yeah, it has been resprayed.
Yeah. I told you that. The door jam's a little bit different color. You want to know the funniest thing about Ray's new car? Is he says that the way it sits right now, it's going to be faster than my hatch.
It will be.
It will be?
You know what's funny?
I live my life a quarter mile at a time.
Legit, dude, I'm not making this up. He legitimately says that this car, the way it sits right now, a stock automatic 350,
You and Shiloh
is gonna beat my freaking Civic, dude. I mean, high compression Type R. The car is gonna weigh like 1,600 pounds. That thing weighs like 3,600 pounds.
32 to be exact.
3,200, whatever. Dude, there's
Well,
no
anyway,
way.
I mean, depending on the model, it's 30.
There's no fucking way, bro.
I bet Max would smash him, literally.
Max? No, Max won't.
Would run him over, yes.
Yeah,
Smash him.
me.
Well, yeah, yeah. Max would definitely run him over, but no. I mean, it's quick. Don't get me wrong. It's got, you know, it gives a little filling in the butt dyno.
It's automatic.
It's still,
quicker off the line, though.
yeah, it does grab off the line. I think it's just because it doesn't have the power to spin the wheels.
I
But
take my buddies until like 80.
he didn't even hear that. Huh? I said it does hook off the line, but it's because it doesn't have enough power to spin off the line.
This is traction control.
There's no way it's gonna be. There's no way it's gonna be as fast as the Civic. I'm sorry. He says this car, the way it sits, will run a 13.
I could do a better burnout in my Suburban.
How fast do you think it'll run a quarter mile right now?
Quarter mile?
14.5.
Yeah, quarter mile.
Fuck no, like 13.8.
13.8?
Take it to the
13.8.
track.
Dude, we're gonna go to the track.
We're
dude.
gonna go to the
I'm
track.
telling you, even if I have to pay for it, I'll fucking
We'll go.
I promise you, it's a 14-second car.
14.5.
How much we talking?
I'll give you 14.3. You know what? No, yeah, 14.5.
Or worse.
14.5 or worse, dude. Yes,
Bone stock. Bone stock.
I'm telling you.
With a good driver, sticks are running like 14, low 14s.
I don't care.
Low 14s.
I don't care, but that's a brand new car.
Auto.
That's a brand new car,
This is
as
auto.
healthy as it possibly could be.
She's got a tune.
This thing's choking.
Any of you
I'll
guys
bet
have
on it.
350s?
We'll go to the track. Whenever.
I'm telling you, dude.
Whenever.
I'm telling you, this is a 14-second car, bro.
I think you can.
Now, if I get you from a dig, I won't fuck with you in a roll.
Dude, even from a dig, I don't give a fuck.
You better have some fucking Mickey Thompson on the front of that.
Even from a dig. I mean, even if you did get me off the line, I'm fucking slingshotting your ass.
Not within a quarter mile.
Rice or
Within a
flyby.
quarter mile, yeah.
Rice or flyby.
I'm sorry, bro. Even if you get me off the line, dude, I'm...
Man, I got Shiloh to back me up here.
Smash both.
Stay tuned. Damn. Say smash both of them asses.
I still think I'm gonna be quicker than Shiloh, too.
Damn.
All motor. All motor, I'm gonna be quicker than you, I think. Yeah, I really do.
Rolling anti-lag on the freeway. You guys are. gonna
Anti-lag
cry.
is for boost.
Everybody's gonna cry.
Anti-lag is for boost. I said all motor.
Everybody's gonna cry.
All motor, I think I'm gonna get you, but when you boost it, yeah, it's all over.
He said everything's out of it already.
Yeah, because we already did all the work. Everything's done.
It took 2 minutes.
I don't have a 17 millimeter, by the way. Wrench. I only have sockets.
Yeah, it's all good.
I didn't need it.
But yeah, everything's done already, dude. You're late.
But what now?
I don't know. Other than I need to go home and finish my wiring. I don't know. Yeah, that's no joke.
Yeah, buddy. That's why I can handle 1,000.
Those things got some fucking weight to them.
I can't wait to see it clean.
Imagine with the head and tranny on there, how much that shit weighs.
Jesus.
I'm just glad it's in the center of the car. Like,
All right, now before we take off from here, I got to show you guys something because this was very heavily spoken about in the comments. So he had Paul pretty much grind down a set of CV ends, basically to make plugs for the front, so that it'll hold the bearing together. A lot of you guys mentioned that the bearings were going to be shot, and you are absolutely correct, but there was already a plan in motion, I guess you can say.
yeah.
Oh, are you pulling it out?
Yeah, I could just show everybody.
Oh yeah, look at that. Damn, dude.
Nice and small.
Yeah, save as much weight as possible.
I want them to be even so that, you know, it wasn't going to be making things unbalanced.
Yeah.
Cleaned him up with a grinder, but he used his CNC mill, whatever that thing is.
Nice, dude.
Yeah.
But you're gonna be replacing all the bearings anyhow.
Yeah.
This next week, Tuesday, he's gonna be taking the car back down to Paul's to drop it off, to have that triangulated brace made for the trunk, just to help with downforce, you know what I mean? So that huge ass rear wing is a little bit more, how would you say? Just so it can actually transfer the downforce through the chassis a lot more, a lot more better. I don't know how else to put it into words, bro. But that's what we're gonna be doing, dude. So I'm gonna close this out. And I'll see you guys back in the garage. You wanna say bye, Shiloh?
Good fucking job, idiot.
You wanna say bye, Ray? Bye, Ray. Fuck you for being late. Thanks for all the help. You bastard. Boy, I tell you what, man. I need you guys in this comment section on this one. Because Ray will read this shit. And let this fool know how his 350 is not gonna beat my damn Civic. Dude, he is freaking nuts, bro. He's insane. That's just madness. Like that is most certainly the definition of madness. Ooh. But man, I need you guys to let me know how you feel about that. For real. Get down there in the comments. Let me know how you feel about it. Put your estimates on how fast, or not fast, how quick you think a stock 350 automatic is gonna run in a quarter mile, okay? Now I know he has like exhaust, I think, a filter, supposedly a tune. What? Okay, I don't think that that's no 13-second car. I'm sorry. I honestly think that that thing is at best gonna run like a 14.5. That's just me. That's just me, bro. But I don't know, in some weird world that Ray lives in, some weird galaxy, he thinks that thing's gonna run a 13.8. So we're gonna have to prove him wrong, dog. We're gonna have to get out to the track. So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that video, of course. Let me know what you think the 350 is gonna run. And let me know what you think I'm gonna be getting in this guy. All motor, high compression, bored out, ITR basically. For the most part, it's gonna be stock internals, but it's just high, I'm just upping the compression, you know? It's got LSD. On a good set of sticky tires. I don't know, dude, weighing like, let's say 1,800 pounds. I mean, how fast do you guys think the hatch is gonna be? I think realistically it's probably gonna run 13s without really getting into it. I wanna run E85 and obviously get it tuned on it. But I don't know, dude. I feel like this thing should be able to crack a 12. Might be wishful thinking, who knows? But we're gonna find out, most certainly. Check that shirt out. What's dude, I'll tell you right now, I am the first one that you're seeing on YouTube with this t-shirt. What's up? Shout out to Throtl, shout out to Evan for sending this out to me. That's what's up. I genuinely think I'm the first one, dude. I think I even have this shirt before Mickey. And if you don't know who it is I'm talking about, y'all are missing out, bro. What's up? You ain't following Throtl? What's up? I mean, they're like 7 times as big as my channel, but I guess I'll put a link in the description below to their channel. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button. Hell no, we didn't finish the wiring. No, we didn't finish the wiring. We'll get it done, bro. We'll get it done. One step at a time, right? I might be taking baby steps, but still, I'm taking steps. Peace.
Looking, picking when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive when I kiss her. If you want